Growing up can be a challenge.
Tiffany and Jasmine are here. Did you not see the dirty looks that they were giving you?
Yeah, but they're still our friends, right?
I need to tell you something. Your little girlfriend, her father's in prison.
What? You get a date to the dance?
Yeah, man, obviously. Who do you think I am?
I wrote your sister a note, and I asked her, does she like me? And what box did she check?
You're friends, you know that, right?
Yeah, friends.
Come on, Mickey, where are you?
I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, baby.
No.
What's wrong?
I'm starting to think you don't understand what it means for me to be your man.
Look, I just got you a gift.
You don't listen. I already got this one. I told you to get something brand new.
I'm sorry, Tom. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get in the car.